Alright, good morning everybody. This is Todd Mitchell for Friday, the 8th of January. Real excited to talk to you today about what I've been doing in bonds. I'm real excited for tomorrow. I got a Forex class from about 12 to 3 o'clock. Hopefully you can sign up for that. I'm going to show you how to make money on a consistent basis trading the Forex market, especially for those of you that want something to do at night, do some day trading at night. And you can use the same principles that I teach on the bigger time frames as well with this program. So real excited. So what we're looking at now is the bonds, okay? Look at this. So I've already had, excuse me, one trade today, a short trade here. Made 5 ticks on 5 contracts. Up about $781-ish on that. And then as the market broke up, hit one of my levels here to go short, short here at 56.10 and again at 156.16, which happens to be the high of the day so far. I hit it numerous times, if you can see that. Remember, these are limit orders. Okay, 15, 15 numerous times on these 2 bars right in here. So I'm filled at 16, but I just took some profits on the 15. Now, when you trade through TradeStation, it's going to take you out of the lower trade. So again, I am short at 10. Okay, I'm short at 10 and 16. And so I took a 5 tick, well, it shows that I took a 1 tick loss on this on 5 here, but I'm up on the short trade from the 16 level. So it's kind of confusing, I know. So basically, this short trade right in here made $781. But then me taking it off at 156.11, I lost a tick from the 10 entry. So as you can see, the closed out profit is $625, but you'll see that my open profit on just this trade is $781. And my cumulative profit, if I were to close it all right now, close it down, I'd be up $1,406. That changes to $1,093 because we're back up to 14 right now. Okay, so let's just see what happens. I'm going to pause this video and I'll probably short it again on a retest of the high of the day or getting close, 16, short it again. I'm going to hold off and I'm going to record this in its entirety. But before I do that, pause the video, let me just talk about last night's webinar with Doc. So everyone that signed up for last night's webinar with Doc, it went really well. I was sitting watching him give his presentation. So now what we're doing is we're going to send out that the recording of it. So again, you'll see the recording in the email that you get. All right, right in here. And then, so I'm excited. For those of you that have not watched it, you absolutely need to watch it. As you already know, the start of the year has been the worst since the 2008 crash. So he's got some great strategies he's going to share with you to get involved in this down market. And once we get this bounce, okay, because if you take a look at a daily chart on the overall market, we've already made a huge move to the downside. And in fact, let me just show you an S&P chart real quick. And the market opened up higher today, but we're selling off. Take a look at this. So in the S&P market, right, we opened up in here, and we're selling off right now. Okay, so you need to understand these strategies, and you can trade them with options and capitalize on this big down move. Of course, what I'm talking about here on a lot of my videos is for day trading, right? You can trade the Forex, trade bonds, E-mini futures. So let me just pause this video. I should be getting short here again. I think the market's going to come back down. Probably take out this 8. Okay, 158.08. We came up and tried to retest that high of 16. We've gone up to 15 a couple times in here. Again, I'm short still at 156.10. Alright, so let me pause the video so it's not too long. Alright, I am back, folks, and what I've decided to do is I'm going to take off 3 contracts right here, right now. Look at this, 156.08. We're right on these lows. Okay, and by the way, this 16 was a daily pivot, a floor trader pivot number, which for those of you that have I've gone through my bond program. I definitely use the daily pivots in my strategy here. And look at this, look at 06. So I'm short at 16. All right, and it's at 6. So we got 10 ticks in this. Look at it, hit 05 again. My first entry though was 5 at 156.10 and 5 at 156.16. Look at this thing drop. This is beautiful. Up $2,500 if I were to take it off right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off 3 though on this weakness and leave 2 and see what we can do. Well, let's see. Place a market order. We're going to sell 3 at the market. Buy 3, right? I'm short.
Order filled.
There we go. Look at that. So we've got 2 left. So we've got to change our number of contracts here. We're going to trail this up a little bit. See what we can get. But look at this. Up so far 1750. We've closed out 1750 today so far. And if I were to close this position right now, it would be up $2,500. Let's just trade bonds. Okay. So where am I going to trail my stop up, you may ask? And I am going to, look, we're at 4 right now. Man. So let's lock in a tick from the 10, short entry of 10. I'm going to go to 9. I'm going to go to 9 right now. Put a buy stop at 9. Alright, right at 9. Let me pause this video. Alright, this market's continuing to drop to the downside. So what I'm going to do, just like I did the other day, I'm going to trail the stop down 5 ticks. 5 ticks from the lowest level. So right now we're 156.01. So 5 ticks up from that is 156.06. So I'm going to move the 09 to 06. Look at, we've just traded down to 56 round number, 156. So 156.05 now. I'm going to bring that down to 156.05. Oops. Alright, 156.05 is right there. Look at that. Look at 31. We've broken down through the round number of 156. 155.31 is the low, so I'm going to 156.04 now. 156.04. Nice. Nice trade. Alright, I'm going to leave it there. 156.04. This is good. I'm going to pause this video and I'll be back. Alright, look at this bond market. Continues to drop lower. Alright, look at this. So the low is 155.29 on this. So we're going to go bring it down to 02. 02 would be a 5 tick trailing stop. 02. So let's move this down. Right there. 02. Alright, market continues to move lower to 28, which means I move my stop to 156.01. Alright, 156.01. Alright, I'm going to move it down to 31 now. Look at this, market's dropping off a cliff as the overall market's rallying. This is moving even lower. 156.26 plus 5 is 31, so let's move this down to 31. Alright, 31. We're at 31. Alright, we'll see. I'm going to pause it again. I'll be back soon. Alright, I am back, and as you can see, I was stopped out at 155.31. 155.31, so really, really good trade there. So our first trade was right in here, short, and as the market broke higher, it hit one of my levels here at 10. And then hit another level at 16. I was afraid I was not going to get filled on that, but again, it hit it numerous times in these 2 3-minute bars, and I was able to get filled. So I took off a portion of that position at 11, right? At 11 from a 16 entry, which means I lost 1 tick on the 10 entry, and then of course on this entry it counts it, and that's how TradeStation works, or any brokerage works. So look at this. Okay, I don't know why I'm long too. So I made a mistake in my order entry. Obviously, I hit the button twice. So I closed out 28.12.50. It's saying I'm long. So I don't know what happened there. So that is, see, you learn an interest. Now I'm down 125 on this. So for some reason I thought I was getting out, but I must have had 4 contracts. So instead of buying 2 to take me out of this trade, I bought 4, which got me long at 31. So I am down right now. So I got to close that out. Let me close this out. Oh, look at that. Phone rings. Oh, there. Close the position.
Order filled.
All right. So that cost me about $200. So that mistake. 26.25 right there. That's what I came out with. And all right, so that mistake right there cost me about $200, but still came out about 26.25 ahead. So not bad trading so far today. Let's take a look. And again, watch the replay. I definitely encourage you to watch Doc's replay. It will be emailed to those of you that registered for the webinar yesterday. And if you haven't had time to watch it, again, I encourage you to watch it. It's great. He did a great job last night, and he'll answer all your questions. All right. And for tomorrow's webinar, the Forex program, I encourage you to come in and see what it's all about. If you got any questions, let me know before tomorrow. Have a great weekend. Hope to see you tomorrow. Bye for now.